Hello everyone, this is Srinivasan Rajendran. Today we are going to discuss about a topic called assignment operators. As in the previous video, we have been discussed about arithmetic operators and relational operators. In align with, we are going to discuss today about assignment operators. Okay, so assignment, it is going to assign a value or result to a variable. Okay, that's why it is an assignment operator where you are going to assign a value to a variable. Okay, so that's why either you can assign a value or you can evaluate the expression and the result will be assigned to a variable. And one more important thing, this assignment operator, you can combine either arithmetic or bitwise operator with the assignment operator. Actually, normally they will say equal is a assignment operator, and we have been discussed about the arithmetic operator already. We can combine arithmetic operator along with the assignment operator, that makes a compound assignment operator. That will be discussed later, but as of now just understand that assignment operator is equal. So what is the syntax? Variable name equal expression. Okay, expression means a plus b, a minus b. Okay, those are called as expression. Okay, so the value or the result of the expression is going to store in the variable. That is what assignment operator. Let us see discuss about few more examples of assignment operator. Num equal 25. Now 25 is a value which is assigned to a variable name called num. Likewise, 18 is a value which is assigned to a variable name called age. 3.14 actually, there is a typo error. 3.14 which are assigned to a variable pi. And look at this, area equal 3.14 multiplied with r. Actually this is an expression. After evaluating this expression, the result will be stored in the variable name called area. Okay, so this is called the assignment operator. But look at the second point carefully. Either arithmetic operator or bitwise operator can be combined with the assignment operator. That is called compound assignment or shorthand operators. Okay, so normally compound assignment, what they are trying to say, the assignment operator combined with the other operator. Either we can combine a bitwise operator, okay, or else, okay, arithmetic operator with the assignment operator. So look at this example, a equal a plus 1. Instead of giving like this, I can give a shorthand operator as a plus equal 1. Both are same. So here plus is a arithmetic operator, equal is a assignment operator. The arithmetic operator combined with the assignment operator, we can say it is a compound assignment operators or shorthand operators. Not only the assignment operator, you can combine a bitwise operator along with the assignment operators. Okay, so shorthand operator. So this is the first thing. All the arithmetic operators along with the assignment operator, which provides a shorthand operator. So a plus equal 1. The actual meaning is a equal a plus 1. Likewise, a minus equal 1. The actual meaning is a equal a minus 1. See here, c multiplied with equal a plus b. The actual meaning is c equal c star a plus b. Okay, not only the expressions. So you can do whatever the thing by combining arithmetic operator along with the assignment operator to form a shorthand operators. We can say it is a shorthand operator or compound assignment operator. The meaning is we are performing some operation, but the result will be stored back to the same variable. So a plus equal 1, the result will be again stored in the a. So that is the actual meaning. And keep one point in remember, we are not only going to use a arithmetic operator with assignment, you can use a bitwise operator also. That is the actual meaning, guys. That is the meaning of here. Arithmetic operator or bitwise operator can be combined with the assignment operator. Okay. So that's the example. Look at this program. First I have declared a variable name called a. I am assigning a value to a variable called 11. And this is what is the actual meaning? A plus equal 4, which means a equal a plus 4. Sir, you can add any value a plus equal 5 also, yes. If you give a plus plus, this will give only a equal a plus 1 meaning. Okay, but a plus plus is a pre-increment operator or post-increment operator. Plus plus a is a pre-increment, a plus plus is a post-increment. That is, it will be incremented only by 1. But assignment operator, you can give anything. Here it is incremented by 4. The meaning is a equal a plus 4. So which means my a value is 11 plus 4. The answer is 15. That result will be stored in a. Value of a is 15. I hope you know the printf statement. Go to line number 9. Again they are assigning a, because according to this line your a value is 15. And when you come to line number 9, again my a value will be reassigned to 11. And again the meaning of this line is a equal a minus 4. So 11 minus 4, 7. The value will be printed here as 7. Again I am reassigning the a value. You can reassign any time. So the same way it will be follow. So you look at the output. This line 15. Yes, this line 7. 11 multiplied with 4, 44. 11 divided by 4. 4 into 2, 8. The remainder is 3. Divisible operator. So only quotient. The quotient is 2. And modulo operator. The remainder is 3. Sir, why they are reassigning every time 11 and 11? So if I am not reassigning, what will happen? Just make a guess. What will happen? I am not reassigning. According to line number 8, my a value is 15. So when you come to this point, 15 minus 4, your a value becomes 11. Here the answer is 11. And then again according to this line, 11 multiplied with a equal a star 4. So 11 multiplied with 4, you will get 44. A value 44 will be printed. And again this line 44, a equal a divided by 4, you will get 44 divided by 4, you will get 11 as a quotient, remainder is 0. Here a value will be 11. And 11 modulo 4 and remainder is 3. So this is what it is going to printed. You can evaluate. Yes, correct. That's why if you want not to change the a value, that's why they are reassigning every time like this. Okay, so in order to understand it better, that's why we are reassigning each and every time to do the operations. I hope you understand. Just make a note of one thing very clear. A plus plus means a equal a plus 1. This is different than a plus equal 4. This means a equal a plus 4. So both are getting different. Okay. So try to be very clear on this. That is pre-increment, post-increment. This is assignment. Assignment means combining arithmetic operator along with equal sign. Equal is a assignment operator. Now a equal 11. This is also assignment. Assignment operator. But this is not compound assignment. The reason is I am not combining any other operator with assignment operator. I hope you would have liked this video. Please click the like button and subscribe it, and you can enable the notification also. And if you feel that I want to make a more video on some particular topic, please leave it in a comment. Thank you all.